Okay, so this is another Birds and Wings vlog. It sounds too well again, like I did a little while ago. I think I'm getting better. So basically, this video was of the Let It Be Naked album version, and that got blocked in all countries. But I did something where it removes the song. And so basically you can't hear the song unless you turn your volume up super loud and you have really good headphones. Then you can barely hear it, but you can't hear everything I wanted you to hear, so I'll take that down, and we'll, I don't know, that'll be it. But what I really wanted to talk about was my good friend, Zion, same person who recorded... Let me find it again. I have so many bloody videos, it's not even funny. Shit. I recorded all 1, 2, 3, 4, 737 videos, yeah, 737 videos I have recorded. I have uploaded, I do apologize. He started his own YouTube channel. He has a gaming channel called Sterling Gaming. Where did my bird go? There he is. Sorry. Ouch. It's my ankle. I twisted it, Monday. And it really hurts. He has his own channel called Sterling Gaming, which is a gaming channel. However, he claims that he let his friends other than me name it, which I do not buy for 1 second. I do trust this person with my life, and I'm not lying when I say that. But I have come never to believe anything unless I could verify it myself. This is one of the things I will not say is true because it's not in my nature to say it's true. Mainly because I don't believe anything. So let's watch this first video. Hang on. Change that to 1080. Sorry about the lag because, this is being recorded off of a recording and all that. Alright, to save you guys all a seizure, I decided to stop playing it because that was getting terrible frame rates. Only 4 or 5 were being recorded per second, which is terrible when you consider that the standard for filmography is 24 frames per minute. And even then, 24 frames per minute is barely enough to see movement. So I've read. Looks pretty good to me. So yeah, like I said, to save seizures and stuff, I decided to stop that. So go, I know I didn't have it subscribed when I started this vlog, but go subscribe him if you have not already done so. So where was I? But yeah, if you have not done so already at this video, I implore you to go ahead and make my day by going to Sterling Gaming and subscribing to his channel. I will have the biggest annotation you can ever believe on here from now to as soon as I clicked into this video. I ask you just one thing when you do subscribe. Tell him that Birds and Wings sent you. You don't have to do that because I'm asking, not forcing. But it's just an ask that you do, and it would mean so much to both me and him if you would do that. If you would go and subscribe, and be more to him. And it would also mean so much to me if you told him where you came from. Because I promised him that I would give him a shout out. And I am one who never breaks his promise. Never promise anything, and if I don't know if I can deliver it. I knew I could deliver it. So, on to my channel once more. Yeah, so this is uploaded on Thursday, which is highly unusual, as you know. The reason why that is, where the hell much usually go? There's. The reason why that is because I have a very special video I want to upload tomorrow. And then on Monday, I have another video I want to upload as well. And they were all videos I recorded myself. Yeah, what's that one? Oh, yeah. The one on Monday is definitely aviation related, I can guarantee you that. A bit of a new type of aviation that I was able to experience, Saturday. This Thursday, last Saturday I was able to experience it, so please stay tuned for an epic video from Birds and Wings. Until then, keep your feet on the ground and keep reaching for the stars. Sorry, that sounds stupid. But, yeah. Yeah. Till next time. See you again soon.